So how am I going to know how much to do in the corner? Well, you remember these boxes here, see, they set down further than the bottom of the pipe right here. And when I dug this out, I made sure I did not mess with the bottom here. See, that is perfectly flat for where it was before. So I can set it in there, can't I? I can set it in there, and then I can measure from the top of it to the bottom of the downspout. Then I can put some dirt in there, and I'm gonna make it about 2 inches there. Okay. And so I'm gonna put dirt in there, compact it, put the thing back in there. I'm just gonna set this back in here, measure it again, and make it so I get it about 2 inches higher than that. That'll be my focal point, and then I'll work backwards from there on over to here, because once I raise that, see, this pipe isn't where that is, it's up further. So I've got to take that into consideration before I start throwing more dirt in there. Once I raise that up, put that in there, I can look and see how much more dirt I need to put in there. Theory has it if I put 2 inches of dirt in that little bottom cubby, I'm going to have to put about 2 inches of dirt in here too. See what I mean? All right. Okay. Got my game plan. Now these are the types of things you're going to have to start thinking about and figuring out on your own if you get a house that's 20 years old, 25 years old, and if you have to start working on stuff. You know, you're the boss now. You can do it however you want. Could I hook this up right now and say, forget it, I'm just throwing it back in there, I'm not going to worry about it. The last guy had it there, it's been like that for the last 25 years. Water will eventually fill up in the bottom, like you saw that sludge. That's why we had all that sludge in there, because there was a low spot in there, and there was a low spot over there, and that's why there was so much buildup inside these pipes. Could the pipes still run even if they're halfway full of stuff? Yeah, probably. Yeah, they can. Okay. But because I'm out here, and because I know what I can do to fix these things, and I'm right here, and I've got all my tools out here, I've hardly got anything here I got to mess with, I'm gonna go ahead and do it better than it is. That way when I get done, I'll say, hey, at least I tried. I made it a good Boy Scout effort, and I let the chips lie where they may at that point. You know what I mean? But when I get done with this, it's going to be better than it was before.